Howdy everybody. You can see right here is where the car went through. And look at that. Look at the distance that guy cleared. That is insane. This guy was moving. I'm going to say myself that speed was definitely a factor because look at this distance. Wow. From there all the way over to there. He cleared 2 sets of railroad tracks after busting through the fence. And that thing just keeps sparking back up. That thing just keeps lighting back up on fire and on fire and on fire. I don't know why, but it continues to light on fire. This is on Sierra Highway, approximately like Avenue O. It looks like they're really getting it now. Yep, you can see over there. I don't know how he did it, but he flew. I mean, that's well over 100 feet. Well over, maybe 200. But that car is a total loss. I have not seen the driver around here. I don't know where the driver's at. They might have to walk this whole area off to see if the driver's out in the field. Everybody have a blessed one. Be safe and slow her down. This is on Sierra Highway in Palmdale, California at approximately Avenue O. God bless.